Alright, we're going to pick up here on our second part of the video. This is the Brown & Sharpe MICROMASTER 818 Series 2 surface miner. This machine has a couple of nice options. It's got the fine increment on the down feed, on the vertical, and it also has automatic cross feed reversal, which means that the cross feed, you can set the dogs and it will reverse automatically. The machine does not have automatic down feed. The down feed on this machine is manual. Down feed is done by turning the hand wheel or locking this knob and turning your fine increment knob. So the wheel is calibrated in tenths. So you've got 10 lines and then 1,000. We want to open this so that we can move this around. The machine also has a rapid up and a rapid down, which in this mode is blocked because it's in your hand feed mode and it's got to be pushed in here. When this is pushed in, this is disconnected. And now it goes up and down electrically. Brown & Sharpes have a very nice brake on them. You don't have to worry about drift. You know, you can get pretty accurate with this, but you got to be careful. Okay, so the next thing is we pull this back out because I don't really need to keep it in rapid. So I'll pull it out, make sure it's all the way out. Sometimes you got to make sure it's engaged. Now this is now not working. You also have automatic cross feed that you get when you start your table. This is your table speed. And on the column here, you have these sliding switches that you can adjust for your stroke of the table. They move in and they move out, and there's a switch there that they go back and forth and hit it. And the machine also has a dressing function. Down here on the side there's another switch that you can set to, I believe this is rapid. You have to go into a hand here. Let's see. This is the rapid, and it will work with your switches there. You know, what can you do with this? Let's say you wanted to dress a lot off your wheel because you had a chip in it. You could put your dresser there, and you can, you know, slow this feed rate down, and you can just dress your wheel by coming down on top of your diamond a little bit each time to get it, so you don't have to stand there and go back and forth with. You know, normally you're going to dress the wheel just 1 or 2 tenths off of it, and you don't need to do this. It's just another thing that it can do. So shut that off. When you want to work this by hand, it needs to be in the off position. When you want it in automatic, it needs to be in automatic. And this is to reverse the direction of the cross feed if for whatever reason you want to reverse it in the middle of the cycle. The other selection over here to the front side is a dressing speed. It's hard to see because it goes slow for dressing. This is a preset speed from Brown & Sharpe. And if I want to switch directions, it would be another way. You could put a diamond there and do it like this. I think it's quicker just to use the hand wheel. But this is actually moving right now. Okay. We shut it off. And let's see what else we got. That's pretty much it. The machine is 440, 460 volt. You do have the cover for the front wheel. And there is a coolant tank that I just realized is outside the room right now, but yes, there is a coolant system for the machine. And that's pretty much it.